This is the moment we're waiting for. To finally you'll be mine. I promise to Allah to love you eternity. I'm gonna hold your precious hand. Let your parents know my love. Telling everyone you will marry me. Will you please accept my hand? I'm gonna marry you today. Inshallah, you will let me know my love for you is true. Take you to